So we were discussing about a general form of the complex numbers. So here we were adding three complex number. I will solve simply left hand side. In the left hand side, as I have told you, we will just adding the real number with the real and imaginary number with the imaginary number. So a plus c, I will getting a plus c. Further imaginary number while adding will give me the b plus d. I'm taking iota as a common because b and d both containing the iota. So I have copied this third complex number as it is. After adding first two complex number, I will add the third complex number in between them. So a plus c already was there. Then I will write a plus c plus e. E is the real number here. A plus c plus e. And in the imaginary part, b, d and f, we will add these threes. Iota taking common. So in this way you can add the general form in the general form. So let's move toward the multiplication of the in the associative property. So in the similar way we will understand the multiplication, how we will multiply. First I will talk about the real number, then complex number, and then the general form again. So in the multiplication I have taken this example. So in this example, if I will multiply first and the second number on the left hand side, but on the right hand side I'm multiplying second and third first, then I'm getting the result same. If I'm getting the result same by multiplying in the two ways, on the left hand side and the right hand side, it means that I can say the real numbers hold the associative multiplication property. So similarly in the general form, if we talk about a general form, I have taken these three complex number. This is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third complex number. So these numbers I will multiply. So to understand this multiplication, I will go through some example. So let's take an example. Before understanding, it will help us properly. So how we will multiply two complex number. So we will use the distributive property. So how can we use the distributive property? A multiply b plus c. B plus c are addition here. So the result will be a multiplied by b. First a will multiply with the b and then a multiply with the c. As you have covered the distributive property in the 10th class, right? So we will apply this distributive property. A multiply b, then a multiply by c. You can check here. So these two complex numbers are multiplied with each other. So first I will take the real number from first bracket. See, I have taken full bracket here, and the real number from the second bracket. Only this. Again I will repeat this complex number here and take another imaginary number here. So we will multiply. We have applied this distributive property. So I will multiply 3 inside the bracket. So 7 multiplied by 3 means 7 adding 3 times 7 7 7. It will give me the 21 result. And 2 iota, I will adding the 3 times 2 iota. It will give me the result 6 iota. So in the other hand, I have multiplied this 7 plus 2 iota multiply 4 iota. So I can't multiply 7 4 iota times. So I will simply multiply it. 7 multiplied by 4 is 28 iota along with it. And 2 multiplied with the 4, 8 iota square. You can say I'm getting iota multiplied by iota, that is a iota square. I have told you iota square will give me the value minus 1. Iota square is equals to minus 1. I will replace the value of the iota square with the minus 1. So 8 multiplied with the minus 1, I will get minus 8. I'm getting minus 8. So in this way, I'm getting the result 28 iota and 8 multiplied with the minus 1. It will give me the minus 1. So now I will add these two complex number, real with real and imaginary with imaginary, which I have told you already. So real plus real, imaginary plus imaginary. So 21 is a real part. Here minus 8 is the real part. I will add them, and 6 iota and 2 iota are the imaginary part. So I will add them. So let's go back to the general form. What was the general form? In the general form, so we have taken the three complex number and multiplied. So how can these two complex number multiply? So I have discussed the way to multiply two complex numbers. So using this distributive property, I will multiply these two complex numbers. You can see, first I have taken a as a common and repeating second bracket first with the real number and then with the imaginary number. I'm separating this and repeating the second bracket. So this is the distributive property. I'm just copying here the third bracket. First I will multiply these two complex number. So a multiplied by c, e multiplied by d, iota is also there, a multiplied by d. So in this way I'm getting iota square. See, iota multiplied by iota, it will give me iota square, and replace iota square is equals to -1. After replacing I will get dv negative. So it is copy again. I cannot multiply until I am getting a complex number inside the bracket. So I have separate. This is real, this is real, because they both are not containing iota. So I have collected in the bracket here, in the simple bracket, open bracket, and this is the imaginary part. I have right on the right hand side of this bracket. Now I can multiply these both again. So now this is the another one complex number, this is the second complex number, because this totally is the real part and this is the imaginary part. It is without iota, this is with iota. Again I will apply the distributive property and multiply in the same way which I have done here. So this was your associative property. Thank you.